even like being somebody else's breakfast before I have mine, huh? So as you guys can see, we bought a van. I'm not gonna show it to you right now because it's a bit of a mess. It is our first night out on the road, sleeping in this bad boy. We're on our way up to Yellowstone. We've only got about a 4-hour drive to Jackson, and we're hopefully gonna get some seasonal work up there. And yeah, gonna hit the road right now. Number 10, my lord. 10B. 10B. Dude, that's us, baby. What's up, guys? Made it to our campsite. We're just east of Jackson, Wyoming. Cute little town we rolled through a bit ago. And we just cruised through this super corrugated, super bumpy road. It said it was going to take us like 20 minutes to get here. It's been like 2 hours, but we made it. And our 2-wheel drive van, it's got high clearance, so that was pretty solid. And we got a beautiful campsite. There were some better ones with nicer views, but they were taken, like the campsites are like each one's like friggin' 30 miles apart. But we still got a really nice campsite. I think we might hike up to the top of this little hill here, check it out before sunset. It's Saturday night and we're at the rodeo. Never before have I felt so out of... Wait, say that again? Never before have I felt so out of place for not having a cowboy hat. You excited, babe?
Yeah.
I'm pretty excited, actually. It's pretty rad.
Wrangler butts make everyone go nuts.
What's up, fellers? Y'all ready to get ripped tonight? Oh my God! Is that? Can I show that on the air? Oh my God! Dude, what are you guys doing? He's got a wiener out. Look at that thing! Oh, whoa! What is happening? Oh my goodness! Put that thing away!
So late. You got fast cars, movie stars, party on the street. Good Mary Jane, good cool. Ladies and gentlemen, it's rodeo time.
Loaded baked potato with brisket, baby.
Jump on,
We just pulled up to the Mormon Row Village in Grand Tetons, and I am surrounded by a bunch of adorable little prairie dogs. Or at least I think they're prairie dogs, something like that. But dude, they're just so cute, and they're like popping out of everywhere. I feel like Snow White. I feel like Sleeping Beauty. I feel like... Is it Sleeping Beauty who has all the animals around her? I don't remember. But I feel like her, whoever that is. Mormon Row is probably one of the most recognizable spots in Grand Tetons. It's definitely one of the first places you'll hit. It's a good opportunity to get a bit of cultural history, see some really old, cool, historic buildings, while you're enjoying this awesome nature around you. During the 1890s, some Mormons from the Salt Lake region founded the area under the name Grovant. Basically, under the Homestead Act, that was a piece of American legislation that existed at the time. If you could farm land, you could keep it. Nobody lives here anymore. It's been taken over by the wildlife and is mostly inhabited by these adorable little ground squirrels. Remain perfectly still.
Ooh, baby, we got buffalo.
Absolutely beautiful, majestic creatures. It's wild. The buffalo in its natural habitat. So we just came across a herd of American bison. I don't know if you can see them behind me. We were on our way to the Jenny Lakes hike, and we just spotted him on the side of the road. Yeah, we just ran into him. This is the first time we've seen him in the park, and it's super exciting. It's a really cool experience. It's definitely something you want to see when you come to the park. This little guy's just running circles around us. We hiked up to Surprise Lake. We weren't expecting to go up this far. We were just gonna do this little trail to a closer lake, but surprise, we're here. And because we weren't really prepared, we didn't really bring enough water, so we're running pretty short. And I'm debating whether to drink this or not, but I don't really want to get giardia or something like that.
Dysentery, your whole family's dead.
Yeah, so I don't know. I think we might just push through. Got a little bit still, but we still got to hike like 3 hours or 4 hours down, so we'll see how that goes. There's another lake, we're gonna go check it out. Amphitheater Lake, we're gonna check that out before we go to. Feeling a bit tired, but it's all right. We're gonna make it. Okay, here we are, Amphitheater Lake. Annette's gone to the bathroom and it just started raining, so she's in for a bad surprise. We're just like sleeping in it's like a camp parking lot this morning. You're allowed to camp here. We drove it on this road and they're at a campsites.
So we're just crashing here with a bunch of other people. Oh, here she comes. And did you get soaked? No, you're good. That's even. I love rainy days. Guess I don't have to work out today.
Alright guys, I think it's about time that I show you what you came here for. I know you want to check out the inside of the van, so come inside and I'll show you what it's all about. Alright, so this is the main door that we use to get in and out. There's all our food supplies here. There's a cooler back there. So this shelf is mostly just food. Got some toiletries. This is where we keep all our pots and pans. Got a little jet boil. Dude, this guy, I freaking melted the lid on this today, and I'm pretty bummed about it, but what are you gonna do? This is a fold-out table, which is pretty clutch. It folds into a full-size table. This is our Coleman. We were cooking on a jet boil, and it was really a pain in the ass. So now we got this Coleman here. It's got 2 burners, and it is totally clutch, and it freaking blasts heat. So I can actually use my cast iron pan on it. You can boil stuff. It's pretty epic, actually. I was really impressed with it. Oh, just real quick, this is the front seat. Not much to see up here. I kind of just shoved some junk up here. Trash. My bow is back there, and that's bow is over there. Here we got our little safe box. This is where we keep all the gear and stuff like that. Random stuff. One of the most important things when you're in a state like Wyoming is you gotta keep your bear spray. Don't forget it, because there is definitely bears. This, we got the Jackery. This thing is absolutely incredible. I'm charging it up through the solar panel, which is on the roof. It's a really good, super useful thing. I mean, it takes a while to charge, but it holds a lot of juice, and we're able to charge just about everything on it. I'd say if you're living in a van, like, you definitely need to get something like this, because you do not want to be rolling off of the car battery all the time. This is our bed. Currently we have a lot of tapestries up. Definitely not my favorite design choice. We didn't really pick it, but I think we're gonna switch that up. But it might not be until like next summer that we get that done, or next spring. These are absolutely amazing. LED lights, string lights, and they change color from white to blue to purple to whatever, or you can just leave them on an individual color. And those are absolutely clutch as well. Another awesome investment. The brand is Empowered. I mean, you buy these things at REI, whatever. This, totally worthwhile investment, because it gets pretty dirty in here, and it's nice to be able to brush stuff out. Come under here, and we each have a laundry basket. Not laundry, but clothes bin. And yeah, so this is all just kind of storage under here. So come in here. This is camping stuff, gas. I mean, it's not really interesting in here. There's a bunch of crap and some food. Beautiful stuff. All right, coming in the back here. We got our chairs here, our yoga mats, our tent, bag full of, I have no idea, honestly. It's just a bag full of crap. Toilet paper, all that good stuff. Ooh, this bad boy right here. This is our makeshift archery shooty stabby box thing. You get the idea. In my backpack, and rice, and that's pretty much it. It's pretty basic. The car, I mean, the van's not super flash or anything. We got it pretty cheap. We got a great deal on it. My brother sold this to me, actually, so I got no complaints whatsoever. We got power. We got a jug of water. We got cooking capabilities. Being able to just wake up in front of the mountains, out in the bush, wherever, just kind of sleeping with nature most of the time, or sleeping wherever we want. It's also, I mean, more than anything, honestly, what's really awesome about it is it's so much cheaper than paying rent. To be honest with you, I mean, the past 2 years, we've basically been living out of backpacks in a suitcase. So this is a huge upgrade as far as storage capabilities go. If you're somebody who's on the fence about making a move like this, I mean, my number one recommendation would be to just maybe start off with something cheap, you know, before you go spend 50 grand or 100 grand. Anyways, this is like is officially the longest freaking talking portion of a video that I've ever recorded. So I'm gonna cut this video. Thank you guys for watching, and if you click like and thumbs up, or I guess those are the same thing, but comment, anyways, thank you very much, and I'll see you guys in the next video.